Hi guys, welcome to my first video, and it will be on how to survive your first night in Minecraft. And then while you're in it, also make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. This is my first video, like I told you, trying to work out this channel thing. We may delete this video. We deleted almost all the videos that we tried to do. So I'm gonna click this create world. No! Yes! Good.
Yeah? You don't want to go out?
Yeah, but I need to get the wood first. So sheep is normally used for beds. And the way you need beds is you need planks, by using any kind of wood, oak log. And then we're going to make a crafting table. Oh, I thought that was a crafting table. Or the way you make a crafting table. Watch this. Just disappears. What we need. And then we make a crafting table. That, and then
Simon, put your finger Put your finger inside the tree and see if there's water in there. It needs to have water.
Something's wrong. Yeah, something is wrong. I need some more planks
But I don't know how much water it needs.
to use a bed. And now slay him. No. I need to use a crafting table for this. This is a problem. Sticks for a sword. Okay. See, oak planks and you get a sword. It doesn't take any kind of planks. No matter what kind of plank you use, you get a sword. No matter what plank. But it has to be wood. No matter what oak log. No. Dang it. You got it. infested water that drowns. I'm assuming. Alright. Oh! Got you already. Now, enough. No. Let's use it. Oh, how long will this take? Okay, let's keep slaying these guys until, yeah, get enough. This is for food. Perfect. Now let's get more wood. Eventually, when you're making a house with wood, you may run out of it. First, it may get dark. So we're gonna get some planks, and then we're gonna make my bed. Bed ready. Right. Let's make some more planks, so we can make an axe. We don't need an axe. Axes help you actually mine. Okay, now we can mine them with an axe. I've tried axes before. I don't know why everyone needs axes to mine. Uses axes always, but I use them too because it's always quicker to mine it, and you don't waste time in the day. You know, you're always using time in the day when it does it quicker. Alright, still mining. Oh wait, no. Didn't mean to mine that. Ready to go. So now that we have all the stuff we need. Whoa! I don't see much on this thing. On this island. This island is perfect. I can survive all night. For this. Okay, remember guys, this is just a night. So the video will be done in a night. Let's get some more wood. Some more. Because you will run out of wood eventually. I only have 13. 13, which isn't enough. Duh. Alright. Now, let's mine it. Wooden axe. I like wooden axes. They're pretty useful. But I'm keep mining. Alright, we got the mine. We're done. Now let's make the planks. Thanks that we have. Thanks. Now we can just do it like this. Until we have 0. That's a lot of planks there. More than 64 is enough. Okay, now I'm gonna make a house. A small one, not too big. You can make a chest in there. We can make a bigger one later. But right now, I don't want to make a bigger one. Gotta make it more taller. Thanks to that grass, I didn't have to use as much. Oh, I love golems. They're so sweet. And snow golems are. Because they can like snipe. It's like they're snipers with their snowballs. can leave those there. Let's place my bed down. You want to place your bed down. And then you can just place your crafting table down somewhere. Like there. So you can just wake up. Now we need to make a door. We definitely have enough for that. Now, let's mine this so I can make the door. You know, make the door. Doors. Oak doors. So you can get in and out the house. Oh, and one more thing. You place things down with the right click, and then close it with the right click again. That's how you do it. Same thing with putting on armor. It works perfectly. So when it's night, you want to save as much hunger for the next day. So what I would do when you lose hunger is I wouldn't do it when you lose a little bit. I would lose the whole thing of one of the whole hunger one. The whole hunger blocks. And then you right click on the bed. And then you go to sleep at night. Okay, but let me show you how you can only sleep. You can only sleep during night. And then you want to make your mine, which is mostly used with... You need a pickaxe, so yeah, I need some sticks. Now, take away that. Now let's take that. Now we're ready. We're all set to go. And the left click is to W on the computer is to go. Right now I'm on the computer. You can see because there's this stuff, the Minecraft app, and then there's Google Chrome. Right now we're on the Minecraft app. We do have Fortnite though, but Fortnite doesn't really work that much anymore. Make the mine. Okay. I'm not going to use stuff right now because that will just break it even sooner. You can use dirt for your house if you want to. It won't look that good, but I guess you can do it if you want to. You can use any block for your house. Now we're gonna keep going down until we find some coal. We might search. Yeah, but you can only get stone. Also, you can only get stone by a pickaxe. I mean, mines are very useful. Okay. My mine is messed up. Hold on, I'm gonna use this dirt to replace it. The dirt I got. Replace it with the sticks, and then I can definitely use my mine again. Oh, it's almost night out. You're gonna want to get inside your house when it's night. You want to make your mind like that, with stairs. And then when you reach lava, if you reach lava, remember, you'll die. You start losing the health, the hearts, which is health. And especially, you can get a diamond sword, like you always see. You can get a diamond sword with 2 diamonds, but you need to get level 10 experience. You see on level 1, it says 1 there. And when you're on level 1, it's basically level 0. It's almost starting to get night. Okay, that was the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. And then I'll see you on the next video. Bye.